Hi there, my name is Hermano and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to install Ubuntu Server on VirtualBox and install SSH so that we can remotely manage this machine. So first things first, let's go to the Ubuntu website and you're all going to click on Download and Ubuntu Server. You have two choices here, basically 1804 LTS, the long-term support version, or the 1910. This is fairly new. So if you're installing this server with security and longevity in mind, I'd go for the LTS. Otherwise, if you want to experiment, you can try 1910. So you basically just want to click here and download the ISO. I've already done that, so I don't need to do this now. So I'm going to close this window here and pull up VirtualBox. There you go. And so I will now set up a new machine. So I'll go to New, give it a name, Ubuntu Server. Well, it's automatically recognized as Ubuntu. I'm gonna bump up the memory to 4 gigs and create a disk. I'm gonna give it 40 gigs. This is just a demo and create. There you go. There are still some settings I want to change. So I'm gonna head into settings here, go to system, processor, bump this up to 2. Display, well, I'm not gonna need really a display on the VirtualBox since I'm not gonna use a desktop environment. And on storage, I'm gonna click on the IDE controller and select my ISO. There you go. And the last thing I'm gonna do is click on the network tab and change this to bridged adapter. And on the advanced, I will select Prometheus mode, allow all, and click OK. So now I'm gonna click start. So as you can see, Ubuntu Server doesn't offer a graphical interface for installation, although it's still kind of graphic, but it's not the same one like the desktop version. So here we can choose the language. I'm gonna go ahead and select English, so I'll just hit enter. I'll have to change the layout of my keyboard because I have a Swiss keyboard here, so I'm just gonna jump up here with the arrow keys and select from the list. Gonna select Switzerland, and the variant would be this one here, German no dead keys. There you go. With the tab key, I move forward and click done. For the network connections, as you can see, my Ethernet cable has been already detected. My IP address is also there, so I'm fine with this. Just hit enter. I don't have any proxy here, so I'll just hit enter. Now we can select the mirror for Ubuntu, so I'm just gonna stay with this one and click enter. File system setup, I just use the entire disk for the demo. And the disk is correct, so I'm just gonna click on that. And yes, I want to write the changes. Yes, I want to continue. Now I can create a username, password, and a server's name. So I'm just going to put in my name here. Server is going to be Nextcloud because I'm going to go to install Nextcloud here at a later time. My username is Hermano and my password. There you go. And hit enter. SSH setup. Yes, I want to install SSH. So I'm just going to hit enter here. And no, I'm not going to select an identity. So I'll just move down with the tab key and hit enter. Here you can select some snaps you want to install on the server. Right now, I'm not going to do this. This is just a demo. So I'm just going to hit tab and hit enter. And the system is going to install. So it's going to take a while. I'll be back when it's done. So the installation is now complete and I'm going to hit enter to reboot the system. Yes, I removed the installation medium, so I just press enter to restart. And there you go. So I'm just going to log in with my name and the password. So as you can see here, this is my IP address. I'm going to need this if I want to log in with SSH. But before I can do that, I need to download an SSH terminal to access on Windows. The one I use since long time is MobileX Terminal. You can download it from their website here, mobilexterm.mobatech.net. It's free. You just click on the button here, download it, install it, and then you're ready to go. So let's log in into the server now with SSH. So I'm going to pull up here MobileX Term. There you go. I'll put it on the side here. And I'm going to click on Sessions and click SSH. Put the remote host here, the one we saw before, which is 192.168.1.43, and just OK. Login as, so I'll give it my username and my password. And yes, for this demo. And there you go. Now I'm logged in into the server with SSH. So the server could be now on a laptop or another computer. I can log in it with this SSH session. So I'm going to clear up the terminal. First thing first, let's check up for updates. And upgrade the packages. There you go. There are several packages here to be updated, so I'm just going to click enter to accept. There you go. The system is up to date. So that's a quick video on how to install Ubuntu Server on VirtualBox or actually on any other machine and remotely access the server through SSH. I'm going to do soon another video on how to install Nextcloud on Ubuntu Server and give it access from external IPs and install an SSL certificate as well. But I'm going to stop here for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more, make sure you like this video by clicking the like button below and subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified of future videos. And if there is anything specific you want me to cover, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.